This podcast is sponsored by ScienceBasedLearning.com. Discover a passion-driven language learning system that combines ebooks, audiobooks, and videos with the science of spaced repetition. Maximize your learning and retention today at ScienceBasedLearning.com.
Mastering the use of por in Spanish. Learn how to correctly use por in Spanish for cause, means, duration, and movement through space. Discover exceptions and practical examples. The Spanish preposition por is a fundamental component of the language that can be challenging for English speakers to master. It is essential in understanding and communicating various concepts such as cause, means, duration, and movement through space. Grasping the different contexts in which por is used will greatly enhance your Spanish proficiency. Let's explore its applications with examples and exceptions. Por indicating cause. When expressing cause, por is used to explain why something happens. For instance, por razones de salud, for health reasons. Por su culpa, because of his/her fault. In these examples, por provides the reason or motivation behind an action or event. Por as a means. Por is also employed to indicate the means or method by which something is done. Consider these examples. Viajar por avión, to travel by plane. Enviar el paquete por correo, to send the package by mail. Here, por describes the method or instrument used in performing an action. Por denoting duration. When referring to duration, por is used to express how long an action lasts. For example, estudié por 3 horas. I studied for 3 hours. Vivieron allí por un año. They lived there for a year. In these sentences, por specifies the time frame during which an activity occurs. Por in movement through space. In terms of spatial movement, por is used to describe movement through a place or space. Examples include: caminamos por el parque. We walked through the park. El río pasa por la ciudad. The river passes through the city. In these instances, por indicates the path or area through which movement occurs. Exceptions and the special cases. While por is generally used in the contexts described, there are exceptions and situations where por might not follow these rules strictly. For example, in some idiomatic expressions, the use of por may not directly relate to cause, means, duration, or movement. Por favor, please. Por supuesto, of course. These phrases have become fixed expressions in the language and must be memorized as exceptions. To gain a deeper understanding of how to use por effectively, practicing with native speakers and consuming Spanish media can be invaluable. Learn more and expand your skills at ScienceBasedLearning.com. For a comprehensive guide to mastering Spanish grammar, get your copy of our learning materials today.